Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you back to Culinary Stories. Today we are baking a bread, and the goodness about this recipe is that we're using all the healthy ingredients. It is a no sugar and no butter and a no flour recipe. The base of the recipe is oatmeal and it can be used as a quick breakfast snack or after dessert. Let's see how to go about it.
To start with, we will take 200 grams of oat flour. You can take the ready-made oat flour from the market, or you can grind the quick oats which we have at home and use it. In goes half teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We will give a nice mix to our dry mixture. Once everything is mixed well, we will keep it aside and start preparing for our wet preparation. We'll take 2 whole eggs, 50 grams of coconut oil, 170 grams of maple syrup. If maple syrup is not available, you can substitute it with honey as well. 80 grams of Greek yogurt. In case Greek yogurt is not available, you can use sour cream in the same quantity. Vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And let's stir and give it a nice mix until you get a smoother consistency. It will not be a thick mixture. If you see, it's quite watery in its consistency. Now we will add this to our dry mixture. And we'll give a nice gentle mix. Initially we will have lumps, but gradually there'll be no lumps in it and it'll become a smoother consistency. Now we will keep this aside and we'll take our fresh blueberries, which is 120 grams. I will add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it and keep it for 5 minutes. Why we do this? Because while baking, otherwise the blueberry settles down. By adding cornstarch to it, it will not settle down. Now in our wet mixture, we will add lemon zest, which is 1 tablespoon, and give it a gentle mix along with our corn flour coated blueberries, which is 120 grams. And give it a nice and a gentle mix. We don't have to mix very hard at this time, otherwise the blueberries will break. So a gentle and a nice mix. The mixture is almost ready and it looks like it's ready to go into the baking. Now we'll pour the mixture into our tin. I have greased my tin with coconut oil. You can do it with oil and butter. And I've put my cooking paper because it's easy to take out the bread once it's baked. It's our choice if we want to garnish it with some more fresh blueberries. It's completely optional. And now we will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, we will just prick with the toothpick and see if it is not sticking. And after 40 minutes, we will take it out and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. The lemon blueberry oat bread is ready, and we can slice it once it's cooled down. It's a very quick, easy and a healthy recipe which has no sugar, no butter and no flour. You can use it as a quick breakfast snack or as a dessert after your food. Thank you for watching another healthy recipe from the kitchen of Culinary Stories. Stay in tune for more such healthy recipes. Thank you.